Welcome to AIN Top 10 International News. Australia to close Afghanistan embassy over security fears. Prime Minister Scott Morrison says embassy to shut this week because of increasingly uncertain security environment in Kabul. Australia has abruptly announced it will close its embassy in Afghanistan this week, expressing fears over the increasingly uncertain security environment in Kabul in the wake of the US decision to withdraw its troops from the war-torn country. Myanmar cardinal calls for end to violence after church attack. Myanmar's Roman Catholic leader has called to attack on places of worship to end after he said 4 people were killed and more than 8 wounded when a group of mainly women and children shouted refugees in a church during fighting this week. The conflict between the army and forces opposed to military rules has escalated in recent days in eastern Myanmar near the border of Shan and Kayas states, with dozens of security forces and local fighters killed according to resident and media reports. Biden and Putin to hold summit on June 16 in Switzerland. US President Joe Biden and Russian President Vladimir Putin will hold a long-anticipated summit in Geneva, Switzerland on June 16. The White House and the Kremlin announced on Tuesday, marking the first meeting between the two leaders since Biden became president in January. New York prosecutors investigating Trump convene grand jury. New York prosecutors have convened a grand jury that is expected to decide whether to indict former President Donald Trump, suggesting that they may have found evidence of a crime, US media reported. Kuwait opposition's MPs take minister seats in parliament protest. Kuwaiti opposition lawmakers intent on questioning the prime minister have been obstructing parliamentary business by occupying ministers' seats, escalating and standoff between the appointed government and the elected assembly. Death toll of attack in remote Coca region of Peru rises to 16. The death toll of an attack in a remote mountainous region of Peru has risen to 16, authorities have said, as the country interim president promised there could be no impunity for those responsible for the killings. WHO experts back follow-up coronavirus mission to China. A leading scientist on the World Health Organization's COVID-19 mission to China has said a follow-up trip could be helpful to gather additional research on the origins of the disease, but should be separate from any edit on informational provided by Beijing. Armenia says soldiers killed in border shootout with Azeri forces. Armenia has said one of its soldiers was killed in the border shootout with Azerbaijani forces, with tension still high after last September's war over the disputed Nagorno-Karabakh region. Qatar's top diplomat visit Egypt amid improving ties. Egypt's president met Tuesday with Qatar chief diplomat in Cairo as ties between the two nations gradually improve after Egypt and 3 Gulf nations ended their blockade of the energy-rich country earlier this year. President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi and Qatar's Foreign Minister Mohammed bin Abdul Rahman Al Thani agreed on intensifying joint consultation and coordination to boost bilateral ties between the two nations, el-Sisi's offices said in a statement. Mexican State Police Director abused shot dead. Gunmen abused and killed the director of state police in the cartel-plagued Mexican northern state of Sinaloa, local authorities said. State Police Safety Secretary Cristobal Castaneda said Joel Ernesto Stoto was found dead in his bullet-riddled car on a highway on Monday morning near the state capital, Culiacan.